Imagine a nation pouring the wealth of generations not into oil but into intelligence, a $40 billion bet that could reshape the future of technology itself. This is the story of Saudi Arabia's monumental ambition to become a global leader in artificial intelligence. As of mid-2025, the kingdom is making headlines with a colossal push into AI, backed by its Public Investment Fund, or PIF. Sources close to the fund confirm plans to launch a technology investment vehicle worth around $40 billion. This would make the PIF the single largest investor in artificial intelligence on the planet. The goal? To move beyond simply using AI and start creating it. This is about building sovereign AI. A key player is the Saudi Data and Artificial Intelligence Authority, known as STAIA, which is spearheading the national strategy to embed AI in every sector of the Vision 2030 plan. At the heart of this ambition is infrastructure. The kingdom is acquiring tens of thousands of the most powerful AI chips. Through partnerships with tech giants like NVIDIA, they are building the computational power needed to train their own large language models. And then there's the mega project that defies imagination, NEOM. This $500 billion smart city is being built from the ground up to run on an AI backbone. Think autonomous public transport, predictive energy grids, and personalized public services for every citizen. But hardware is only half the story. The kingdom is investing heavily in talent and new companies. The PIF recently launched Alit, a new company aiming to make Saudi Arabia a hub for sustainable technology manufacturing, investing $100 billion by 2030 to create AI-powered industrial robots, smart appliances, and advanced electronics. This isn't just an investment in technology, it's a strategic move to diversify the economy away from oil and position the kingdom as a central node in the next industrial revolution. The scale is unprecedented, the ambition is clear. Saudi Arabia isn't just joining the AI race, it's building its own stadium with the goal of setting all the new records. What do you think of this massive AI gamble? Let us know in the comments. For more deep dives into the future of tech, make sure to subscribe.